What's good, world? Mike Lang, one half of the Intelligent Hoodlums, and we're here with our first dope mixtape. And we're going to be jumping into and exploring 5 ways you could use discussions and in Canvas. And when I start talking about discussions in Canvas, if you're talking about the easiest way to impact your pedagogy immediately using Canvas, in my opinion, is discussions. It allows your user to be active in the class from the beginning. It doesn't require as much setup as the modules do, and allows you really to ease your way into fully embracing what Canvas has to offer for you. So we're going to be going through a couple things here, a couple strategies and whatnot. And hopefully at the end of this situation, you're going to have a pretty decent grasp of how to utilize discussions to do some very dynamic things. So we're going to first kind of pop over here and take a look at some things. So what you're going to receive is a Canvas shell that has nothing in it except for discussions. And so what you'll have is the pinned discussions at the very top, and Ask Me Anything. Planet Money is going to be kind of a podcasting strategy you can utilize. Hype Williams, a short story, film festival, short film festival type thing, just adding video there. Van Gogh, how can you use it as an art gallery? And then kind of hashtag tweet, kind of emulating social media. And this has been the way I've been most successful, ensuring that, again, your user, your learner, is as engaged in your classroom process as you are as the designer of the experiences, and allowing those workers to do the work, for them to be the engine of how everything works. As always, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be generating more content around Canvas. So if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do that, and let's get ready for the show.